So today I thought I'd show you guys what I got at the thrift store to resell on the Poshmark app. I'm a part-time reseller. I have a full-time job, but I love doing this just for fun. It's a fun hobby, and I think anybody can do it. If you're ever interested in trying to make some side cash for anything, this is a great idea. So I thought I'd show you guys what I picked up at the thrift store today to resell online. Okay, so I got all the stuff at one store and the prices are pretty good. I would say shirts are around $3.79, pants $4.79, dresses are around $6.79, and shoes are around like $4.50 depending on what the style of the shoe is. So this is what I got. So the first thing I got was this pair of Not Your Daughter's jeans. They're a cropped ankle. The cool thing about these jeans is they are a size, what size are they? They're a size 18, which is a great size for reselling. I think there's a lot of, you can sell plus sizes pretty well, especially if they're Not Your Daughter jeans. And that is the logo there. And this is the tummy tuck technology, and they normally do that. Next, I got these super cute stacked heel boots by Vince Camuto. These were actually $5. And they're in excellent condition. They're like a brown material, brown leather with a stacked chunky heel. And they were $5, which I'm super excited about to list and sell, especially because fall is coming up. I don't know if you can see, but that's the logo there. So I'm excited about those. And I got this, what is this? Oh, this is a New With Tags Sanctuary top. That's the brand there. So they originally wanted, there's no amount on here, but it's like this linen tie waist, like big dolman sleeve style top. And I think that was really cute, especially if it's New With Tags, like why not? Next was this, this Eileen Fisher, logo right there. Eileen Fisher puffer vest. It's like a knitted vest with this puffer detail in the pockets and the sleeves. I thought that was pretty cool. Then I got this really cute loft skirt. It's like a pencil skirt for work. It has this really pretty like floral detail, and this one was actually New With Tags. So I thought that was really cute, especially for fall time. It's like the perfect color. Then I got, I don't know where the other shoe is, but this like denim slip-on embroidered sneaker. I don't know. It's Isaac Mizrahi Live, and these are actually sold on QVC. So I'm not sure how it does, but I thought that was super cute, especially because like slip-on loafers are super in style, but because they're cut off, I thought those were really cute. And I think these are like a size, oh, they're a size 8. And those boots were an 8 as well. This is an Eliza J, which is an older label, but it's a sweater dress. And it's so cute. It has like this black and white striped detail, and then it's long sleeve, and then the bottom is just knitted. It's really cute. It's a size small. So I've never really sold Eliza J, but it's a Nordstrom brand. So I thought it was in really good condition. I checked it to make sure there weren't any moth holes or anything, but I think again for the fall, it's a great piece to have. And I don't know how much any of the stuff is gonna sell. Like, you have to look up comps, and the cool thing about Poshmark is you can just look up solds and kind of price from there. I always price to accept offers. So next is this Brooks Brothers, these blue khaki shorts, and they have like a embroidered palm print on them. These are interesting because they're a size 18, which they're not like a plus size at all. So I don't know if they're kids. I'll have to look into it. I don't know Brooks Brothers sizing, but again, I thought those were cute. I know summer's already ending, but they were pretty inexpensive. Then I got, what is this? Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is a Splendid, size large. It's like a knit, what's it called? I don't know, but it's like has a cold shoulder. I would say it's like a cardigan slash dress. It's super long. Now, if you can see, I'm not sure. It does need to be sweater shaped. Like there's quite a lot of pilling, and they probably just threw it in the wash with like something white because there's a lot of white pilling, but it's a button up. I thought that was really cute, again, for fall. So this is, I don't know how to say it, Molinette Soars, I don't know. It's an Anthropologie brand, and it's just this cute little dress. It's blue. I think this was on sale. It's a size 6, and how you know something is anthro is the RN number is actually gonna be 66170 right there, and that's the RN for Free People, Urban Outfitters, and Anthropologie. So this is really cute. Anthro sells kind of well, just depending on the style, but I just thought that was super fun. Next, looks like this is another dress. This is Silence and Noise. This is an Urban Outfitters brand. So same RN, but that's just a brand that Urban Outfitters carries, and you can find that stuff online on their website. But this is a strapless, it's a ribbed fishbone is it a high-low dress? No, it's like a dress that has like these long slits in the front, and it has like a mini skirt underneath. I thought that was really cute. It's pleated, it has a lot of cool detail, and it looks like it's gonna be really form-fitting. So I thought that would be cute. I'm gonna list that. I'll probably list it just for a little bit higher because it is like a fancier dress, but who knows. Next, this is another Anthro piece. It's Postmark by Anthropologie. And it doesn't say Postmark, but it's like a little postmark. That's the logo here. I thought this one was cute for summer, even though again summer's ending, but it's like this orange. It's just like a sweater knit dress with an open back detail with cute button crisscross. Cute, pretty color too. What is this? Ooh, this feels like it's linen. Oh, of course, it's J. Jill, size small. This is like a chambray style linen dress. Oh, and it even has pockets. That is so cute. So it has 2 pockets in the front. It's like a dark denim color. People love linen, so I think this is just like the perfect dress for even wearing around the house and stuff like that. Oh, I found the receipt. So total, I spent $112 on all this stuff. Next I got was this really cute, how cute is this denim skirt? Like, I think this is so in style right now. It's a size 12 loft. It's new without tags, and I think the tag must have ripped off because this was the same as the other loft skirt. I found them right next to each other. So it's this button up denim skirt with a raw hem. I think this is just super in style right now, especially for the fall with some like fun tights and knee-high boots. Super cute. And then, what is this? This is a Lucky brand. This is like a blue top blouse. It has a flutter sleeve. It's very delicate. I don't know if it's a silk material. It was made in India, size large. Like this blue floral detail. I thought that was super cute. Next, oh, I got this top for myself. It's Bisou, which I think is like a Nordstrom Rack brand. I don't know, but I thought it was cute. It's just like this cute little top with this shoulder detail and a little turtleneck. Super flattering with the keyhole. This is Easy Wear by Chico's, size 3. It's just like a red cute sweater. I think Chico's is like cute for just like, it's like more plus size. So a size 3, I believe, is an XXL. But I thought that was really cute. Not gonna sell for much, but still. It's good to carry plus size in your closet. What is this? This is cute. I think I tried this on because it's reversed inside out. This is a loft, just thin cotton striped dress. So that's kind of what it looks like. It's super flowy, but look at the back. The back has this tie keyhole detail. Thought that was really cute. It's almost like a tunic dress. Okay, up next, this just fell on the floor, so it needs to be lint rolled, but it's a J. Crew factory, but the reason why I got it, it's this blazer, is because it's new without tags. So The buttons are still wrapped, and even the back here hasn't been opened. So I thought that was cute. And the cool thing about J. Crew is you just look up the style number and you can find like a stock photo and the name of the item as well. Then I got this. This is Calvin Klein. It's a beautiful red blazer for work. Like, I thought that was super perfect, and it's in excellent condition. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. And it has like really cute pocket detailing. It is padded, but great deal there. And then I got this, which I thought was kind of fun. I don't know if it's gonna sell for much, but like, people are into stuff, right? People are into ducks and cats and whatever, but it's this really cute, it's a vintage Talbots. It's a really cute vest. Like, it's this red vest and it has these mallards all over it. So I thought that was fun. Like, you never know, maybe someone's looking for like something with a little bit of style and something with some character. Like, if I could wear this to work, you know, you could make it work. So I thought that was cute, something different. Then I got this maroon skirt. See, yeah, it looks like the loft as well. It does have a few buttons. It is a size 12, new with tags. So I do think that denim skirt lost its tags, but same thing, I thought that would be really cute for fall. Next I got were these LL Bean blue moccasin shoes. I have no idea how this brand does, but I think their shoes were on clearance, or they might have been half off or something, so I don't think I paid too much for them, but they're in great condition. They're like house shoes. Then I got, so this is interesting. This is like a pullover sweater, but it's the cat with the middle fingers that says go away, and it's just Fruit of the Loom, but I feel like I've seen this cat somewhere, so I have to do some research, but I thought that was cute. Like, just like a little pullover. Okay, so next we'll have shoes. So I already showed you guys this one. Yeah, so their shoes were on sale because I did kind of get a lot of stuff I wouldn't say I would normally get, but because of the price, oh no, I just noticed. So I got these Lane Bryant shoes, and the cool thing about Lane Bryant is because it's plus size, their shoes are a little bit wider. So these are at 10W. This pretty rhinestone detail, but I just noticed that one is missing. I don't know if it fell off. I'm wondering if it did, but I might just give these to my mom. They have a cute heel there too. That sucks, but whatever. Then I got these just Speedo flip-flops, like nothing great about them. They're a size 10, but I got 2 pairs. So I'm just gonna put them together in a listing and see how that does. I don't sell on eBay currently, but these probably would sell a little bit better on eBay, but I'm just gonna list them. Then I got these shoes. They're these super pretty heeled with a peep toe, and the brand is Chelsea Crew, which I have never heard of. I believe I looked up comps, and the reason why I want to look them up is because they were size 39, so it was like European sizing, so I wanted to see. I kind of got them based off of style, so we'll see how those do. I got these really cute boots. They are Donald J. Pliner, which has a pretty good value to it, and they have like this embossed snake skin on the back. Super cute, and there's like a short heel too, which I like. And then last but not least, I got these really cute denim Jessica Simpson wedges, and they were $39.99 at TJ Maxx, originally $75. I don't know if Jessica Simpson does well on Poshmark, but I just got them for the style alone. I think that's super cute, and someone will want them, right? But yeah, that's about it. So I spent $112. I got a bunch of random stuff, and I'm excited to get this all photographed and listed. If you don't have the Poshmark app and you wanted to check out my closet, I'll link it down below. And then also, if you use my code, you will get $5 off your first purchase, which is awesome. And yeah, I think the Poshmark app is great. We're all saving, you know, we're giving these clothes a second chance, which I think is awesome. So anyways, thanks for liking and watching my video. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.